quick walkthrough on how to set a discount using the marketing role. First of all, go to your partner centre and click on marketing. You can see we have a few promotions set up already. If you click on the black plus sign, you get a choice of promotions, and then you continue through the tabs to set them to be exactly as you want. I'm going to look at one here which is 30% off all herbs and spices. You can add all sorts of complexities, but I'm going to keep it quite simple. If you're stuck at any time, simply click on the orange information button, which will give you some context. I've chosen herbs and spices, which are a category in the dried foods menu. You can set certain dates and times for the promotion to run, but like I said, I'm going to keep it nice and simple. And then we'll go to the front and have a look on the online store, where you'll see how quick and easy it is to put into effect. And you can always pause the promotion if you're just running the offer to test interest. And that's how easy it is to set a discount. You can also do it using codes. If you do use a code, don't forget to tie it to a promotion. Now I'm just going to look at the pause because the website is also a mirror of the pause. Go back to the partner centre and click on the pause. Let's go into dried foods, herbs and spices, click on some weights for spices and herbs and see it go into the customer's cart. The trick is not to be frightened of anything. This is a huge integrated system that's made nice and simple to help you do better business. Hope that helps, and do watch the other tutorials. Thanks, bye!